morning. Finally made it down to the secret waterfall down behind Apollo Bay, and as luck would have it and usual, I get to the car park and it's raining. But chasing waterfalls, so getting wet was always part of the deal. But off we go. The adventure begins. Up to river crossing number 2. Only go about 5 minutes, and already completely and utterly soaked through. Fortunately, my feet are dry. The amount of water between last time and this time's completely different. Last time all these rocks were underwater, my feet were soaked. So up to river crossing number 3. Coming up to creek number 4, I think it is. If I remember right, this might be the big one. I suppose up until now I could say I've been lucky. It's just started to rain quite heavily. At least it's the first time. Not that there's really anything else that could get wet. The front of my legs are absolutely soaked. Feet are dry, upper body dry. Not uncomfortable, just very wet legs. The other thing that's here that's insanely annoying is all these blackberries. That everywhere you take 2 steps, stabbed in the leg, snagged on the arm. That one's got you on the head. Everywhere. So far what I regret and what I'd change. Stopped at one point, found about 5 little leeches on me. So if they're the ones I found, I'm guessing there's more. Change that, not a huge fan. And what I regret, bringing a second tripod. all that it's done so far is get caught on everything. Every tree you have to go under gets caught on, it pulls the water down, pulls God knows what else down. So that is something that may have been a mistake. Who knows, maybe when we get there, I'm so grateful that I got it. What's interesting is, again, the water level between last time and this time. Last time, all these rocks were completely submerged and it was a bit of a nightmare to cross here. Now, it doesn't look too hard at all. Over there. So after almost an hour I finally made it to Marriners Falls, the secret waterfall. It was nowhere near as enjoyable a walk as what I remember from last time. Well, that wasn't that fun. Then, wow, maybe a foot less water. Hopefully we can still find some nice compositions, but let's see what we can get.